Hello friends, today is the 18th April and our today's Viva topic which is inheritance in Java. So basically the first upon the inheritance which is the important concept of object oriented programming systems and let me some brief information about that what is the exactly concept of inheritance. So inheritance it means if we have created a derived class and from an existing class, that means when we have class A and if we created the class B, then the we can extend or collect the properties of the class A inside the class B. So that means it reduces, it increase our code reusability. That means it is necessary to implement in our Java programming language. And there are basically five types of inheritance, which is single level inheritance, multi-level inheritance, after that multiple inheritance, and hierarchical inheritance, and last one which is hybrid inheritance. But when we talk to the according to the class in Java, there are four types of inheritance that could be supported. So multiple inheritance is not supported in Java by a class, but using a interface we can implement that also. It is another topic. So it's the main topic of our inheritance. Let we discuss one by one what is exactly the types of inheritance in Java. So first one which is a single level inheritance. That means if we have a class A and when we create a class B from an existing class A, this is known as when we have a one parent class and after that we create a single, that means one child class inside that. So this is the phenomenon which is known as a single level inheritance. And another one which is a multi level inheritance, when we have one parent class and when we extend the child class from that existing parent class and we another extending that the child class, another we create a class which has we can say that if we have a class A and another one which is we extend the class B from existing class which is A, and if we another implements or we can extend the another class which is C from the existing class B, then we can say it is a they are created at the level of that inheritance methods. So class that time we can say it is a multi-level inheritance. And another one which is a hierarchical inheritance. So in that when we have one class, there are one class and if we implement or we create to another class and there are both classes are point to that single parent class. That means we have a single parent class and there are one or more child class. Then in that condition we can say this is a hierarchical inheritance. And another one which is a hybrid inheritance. Hybrid inheritance is nothing but the combination of one or more types of inheritance. That means single level inheritance, multi level inheritance. There is a combination of that inheritance. We can say it is a hybrid inheritance. And when we talk to the multiple inheritance, it is not supported because there is a when we create in that multiple inheritance scenario, we have two classes and one classes, but when we created two classes and if you have to extend them, but when we present at the same method name in that both classes, then there is an ambiguity which is created in that, and we can say the it happens, that means it created the diamond shape problem. So that's why we are avoiding, or Java avoid the multiple inheritance in Java. So using by interface we can implement it. We already discussed that in our previous videos. So then we are moving that what is inheritance and why it is necessary to use in our Java programming language. So basically the inheritance it is important because it is as a, always a as a relationship, that means a parent child relationship, and it increases our code reusability. That means when we write a code in that particular class, then we can access that all the functionalities of that class when we created or deriving class. And another one importance which is, we can say, it has a, that means it reduces the complexity. That means when we access the all, and the most important the most importance of the inheritance, which is in the, we can say, the when we talk to the inheritance types all, so all that is importance. And when we talk to the method overriding which is achieved by inheritance, so that means it is also important. And we know that method overriding is also the achieve, or we can implement that from to achieve the runtime polymorphism. That means inheritance is also important in that. So this is all about the inheritance. Thank you.